Good morning. 6 a.m. Friday morning, and today is bike hire day. So the plan this morning is to go down to Alcudia. They've got some yoga on, so we're going to go do some yoga. Hopefully on the beach in the sunshine, but I need to go and see what the weather's saying. Gonna get up, have some breakfast, and then shoot down to the beach and meet Harry.
Here he is, he's here.
Buzzing.
Good?
Oh, yeah, very buzzing. Absolutely buzzing.
Right, let's go and do some yoga. Let's hope we've not missed it because it's just 8 o'clock now, so it'll be sound. Yeah. Yeah, check me out, vlogging mate. Check this out.
I know.
First, maybe the last, who knows? But
the first of many.
Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I don't even know where it is because I've been down to the village already and there's nobody there and it was already shut. So we can head down that way and go around onto the beach because it said it was on the beach. I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach.
The hands to your knees. Inhale. Exhale down. With the right leg back and lower your knee. Crescent moon. Relax the shoulders again. Exhale, bring them between your hands, your thigh. Whatever high you, not a point that is moving, the one that is fixed. And place my hand on the leg.
Morning yoga's done. Currently munching up some free pastries. Apricot, and I don't know what this one is, but it's so nice. Rather lovely after some yoga. Got quite a while before I can go and register. Registration's 10 a.m. and it's 9:15. So probably gonna hang about for a bit, get registered, and then head over to Palencia and collect the bike. And then if it stays dry, hopefully head up and do the descent of the course.
Yeah, man.
Because at the moment it's beautiful. We're just in the athlete village. They're all doing a shakeout run. A few things going on. Probably eat some more pastries and then go for registration in a bit. We've met up with the mother. Come to get a drink after yoga. I'm on some, what am I on? Pineapple, apple and strawberry smoothie energy drink thing. Hoping it doesn't go straight through me. And Harry's on the strong stuff. Pure vodka. I'm gonna have these and then go and register, get all my gear, bib numbers, stickers, and then head over to Port Palencia and get my bike. Hopefully the weather stays as it is, but who knows, on the island it can change pretty quick. See how we get on at registration. Back in the village again, lost count of how many times we're in it now, but yeah, let's go and see what we can find in the registration packs. Registration is successful. Got my Ironman bag, got my bracelet on. Time to go and get the bike. Just got to bike hire. It is rather busy. So many people outside. And so many people ahead of me in the queue. Yeah, hiring from Pinarello in Port Palencia. I've hired from here once before and they've been great, so no reason not to come back to them. Let's see what bike I get. I know what bike I'm getting, but it's either going to be red or black. I'll check back in with you once I've got the bike and I'm set up ready to go. So the bike is secured, the trusty bit of carbon for tomorrow's adventure. The plan is to go and do the descent because the weather's so much better than the forecast. So me and Harry are going to go up there, test that out, make sure I've got a few pointers for the descent tomorrow and a bit more confidence. So yeah, I reckon a bit of bite to eat, and then we're going to head up and do the descent this afternoon. And then go and take everything down to the transition zone later on, drop it all off tonight, ready for tomorrow. So earlier's ride out didn't happen because the weather took a turn for the worse and thunder, rain. So we ended up chilling, getting everything ready, and now I'm down at bike drop off down at the transition area. Gonna drop off the bike and all the gear ready for tomorrow. Into bag drop we go. Run bag, cycle bag, and bike. Check-in is done, bike drop and bag drop is done. I've got my tracker, it's going to go on my left ankle later on. So yeah, that's everything now. Ready to rock and roll. How you feeling, Harry?
I'm feeling good, I'm excited. I'm not even racing and I'm absolutely buzzing for this tomorrow.
Yeah.
Loads and loads and loads of good pictures and videos to come.
He's on it with that camera of his. But yeah, I'm excited, I'm nervous. All the emotions are running through me. The atmosphere is great, so many people about. Just hopefully dries up for tomorrow now. Had an awful afternoon of rain. There was a little bit of thunder, but not too much. So hopefully all of this tarmac will dry up nicely to allow for a bit more pace on the bike. So yeah, I think we're just gonna go and chill around Alcudia now. Maybe grab a drink and then head back. Make sure I'm prepped with food and rest later on. So yeah, cut to some shots of Alcudia. So, back at the villa, all the prep and everything is done now. The sun has decided to come out and show itself after an awful afternoon of rain. Bit annoying that I couldn't get down to the descent on the course to try that out this afternoon, but the weather just said no, so unfortunately had to give that a miss, but looking forward to doing that tomorrow on the course on race day. Yeah, now I've just got to fill myself full of pasta. It's going to be an evening of fueling, relaxing, and making sure that I'm mentally and physically prepared for tomorrow morning's adventure. I don't know if to call it an adventure, challenge, race, whatever we want to call it. It's going to be a difficult one, but tomorrow's weather's looking perfect. I'm going to be starting at about 7:40 a.m. I'm going to be starting and setting off for my swim, which is going to be a 1.9 kilometer swim, hopefully taking me 35-40 minutes in the Bay of Alcudia, and then it's off out on the bike for 90 kilometers, which I'm hoping to do in around 3 hours, potentially 3.5. Depends on how I'm doing and how my performance is on the day. So yeah, 3 hours to 3 hours 30 on that is the aim, and then after that it's transition into the run, and at that point it's going to be a hot. It's warming up to about 22, 23 tomorrow, which you might think, oh, it's not too hot, but once you've done a 90k ride, going to do a half marathon run in 23-degree heat with the sun blaring down on you, it's going to be difficult. But yeah, anyway, I'm waffling now. I'm going to go get some food, chill out for the evening, and get myself ready. So yeah, I'll catch you at 4 a.m. in the morning. It's going to be an early one.
It's race day. It's 4 a.m. It's time to get up. Let's go and get the Ironman 70.3 Mallorca medal.
You're a sky
quick pre-race interview. I feel him.
I'm here, I can't go back now. Yeah, no, I'm feeling good. I'm not as nervous as I thought. Like, I've not got butterflies. I'm feeling steady, my belly's feeling good. Yeah, I've got all the energy. Just gonna go warm up in the water now. So I think we've got 20 minutes or so till go time. So I'll see you on the other side.
I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care. 'Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. Cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart.
Here he is.
Hello everybody.
Post-race interview. How do you feel?
Yeah, I've not really got many words. Like, I feel great. I feel absolutely knackered. But wow, what an event! Like, it's so good. Very, very difficult. Do not underestimate a Ironman 70.3. I've got some war wounds as well. Don't know if you can see that. Somebody knocked me off my bike halfway around, so that was a bit of a shock, but I had plenty of adrenaline in me. Jumped straight back on the bike. I don't know if you can hear me to be fair, 'cause I'm walking back to the finish line, but yeah, no, feeling good. Not the most important thing. Let's go!